this is Rigved about sports. Hello and welcome. This is Rigved about sports, and I am back after a long break. I'm back with a new edition, Sports Saturdays, where I will bring you the weekly dose of current happenings in the field of sports. In our weekly news, we are going to look after some amazing news from cricket, football, and all the Olympic qualifying tournaments where Indians are at stake. Let's start with some top headlines of the week. Pollard hit 6 sixes in an over against Sri Lanka. Barcelona beat Sevilla in the semi-finals of the Copa del Rey competitions to enter the final. Indian women's hockey register 4th consecutive defeat in the European Tour. Vinesh Phogat wins gold in the Ukraine Wrestling Championship, and PV Sindhu through to the semi-finals of the Swiss Badminton Open. Now let's take a closer look at all the happenings in sports this week. Pollard became the third batsman ever to hit 6 sixes in an over in international cricket. He did this feat against Akhila Dhananjaya in the 6th over against Sri Lanka. Dhananjaya had interestingly picked a hat-trick just an over before this feat. FC Barcelona registered a come-from-behind victory in Copa del Rey semi-finals against Sevilla. Barcelona were trailing 2-0 down in the first leg and came back strong with a 3-0 victory against Sevilla. They will face Athletic Club in the finals. In Premier League, Chelsea beat Liverpool 1-0, and it was a 5th consecutive defeat for Liverpool, who are having a horrendous season after winning the last year's Premier League. This win puts Chelsea 4th in the current rankings of the Premier League, where league leaders Manchester City are cruising through in this year's championship. In hockey, India's women's team lost all their 4 matches at the European Tour in Germany. This was India's first major participation in a tournament after the pandemic. This tour was scheduled for preparation for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. From wrestling, Vinesh Phogat beat world champion Vanessa to win the gold in Ukraine Wrestling Championship. This is her first competition after the pandemic, and she is the only Indian wrestler who has already qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. The hopes are high from Vinesh Phogat, and if she keeps on delivering such performance, we can accept a gold at Tokyo 2021. PV Sindhu enters semi-final in the ongoing Swiss Open badminton tournament. All Indian other shuttlers failed to qualify for the semis. Some news from Spanish Boxing Championship. The likes of MC Mary Kom, Vikas Krishnan, Pooja Rani and Manish K have qualified for semi-finals in their respective weight categories. Although India's Olympic medal hope Amit Pagal bows out of the competition. So this is all from Rigved about sports, and I promise to bring you this weekly dose every Saturday. So tune in and subscribe to my channel Rigved about sports. Thank you very much.
भरे जो भरे घाव ये रह के मैं खाने गुम तेरे बारे लिखूं जाने मन तुझे परवाह मेरी जरा भी क्या तेरे आगे जाना हारे हम तू है कौन मैं ये भी क्यों जानूं